Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to throw a fork ball. Okay, this is what your hand would look like. Just like that. Take a good look. That's just like that. I can't throw it because it's like midnight. Shut the fuck up, Bryce. Thanks a lot. Okay, there. That's practically it, so I might just keep the video. Sorry about the swearing. See, my friend seems tired. Sorry. Again, like this. Just like that. There you go. That's how you throw a fork